Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get faster shipping times from JoyaGoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few things that we need to do right off the bat to make sure we get faster shipping times. So the first one is to make sure there's funds in our JoyaGoo account. So if we click on make sure you're logged in, click onto my account, my wallet. Now once you're inside wallet, it will give you your balance. So from here, we want to go in and top it up. So depending how much you need for your next order, just make sure you've got enough money in here. So if it's $300, I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And then from here, we need to use our bank card. So we can use debit, credit card, Visa, MasterCard, etc. We can also use Skrill or Google Pay. But yeah, just basically make sure you've got enough money in here to cover the cost of the next order. And while we're inside our account, we want to click onto account settings and then click on address. Now, if you don't have a delivery address, you need to make sure you got a delivery address and double check it to make sure it's 100% correct. Because if there's any issues, it's going to delay your shipping. So you go ahead and fill this out and then click confirm. All right, so once you've done those two things, there's a few more things we can do. So we need to avoid peak shipping season. So try and order outside major holiday or sales events to avoid delays due to high shipment volume. Also, when you're at the checkout section for deliveries, select expedited shipping and deliver within 1 to 3 business days. This is the quickest method JoyaGoo can offer at this point in time. And you might want to consolidate your orders as well. So use JoyaGoo's warehouse consolidation to combine multiple items into one shipment. So what this does is reduce shipping time and also cost.